you join me at what is the top end of Monday morning for the installing of the SunAmp, replacing our copper monstrosity with something that's hooked into the solar panels. The main difficulties of this are getting rid of the copper monstrosity we've currently got and lugging the SunAmp up the stairs, which weighs more than me. So I expect to see a few guys in sometime over the next few days. And then there's dealing with the mess of pipes that are currently installed in the bathroom, which we've got to work out how we're handling for restructuring the bathroom. But that might not be a problem for this video. For now, SunAmp upstairs, old copper boiler downstairs, wiring some pipes, job's a good one. Anything to add to that first thing in the morning, Andy? I mean, you forgot the part where this entire video is going to be 15 minutes to cover the entire 3 days. But apart from that, yeah, about right. Let's get to work. We're off to a cracking start, both ironically and unironically. Yes, his outlook should be able to put it next to the wall Tanya's after for the bathroom remodel. We should be removing pipes that are supplying the old tank in the attic. And apparently I don't need to shoot any footage because he's going to do some on site. So I guess I'll just do the day job then.
Today's little adventure is to remove this vented hot and cold cylinder direct for a SunAmp. We're going to be using the box as a template to get the exact position. This spur here is only for the immersion, so we're going to disconnect the electrics to this and just blank this off so we can get this tight. Combination valve, expansion vessel, check valves and everything that is required to fit the SunAmp is going here, and then we're going to run the hot and cold around to here with isolation valves because this wall is being removed, so therefore we are going to do some temporaries onto the existing plumbing. When they knock this wall down, they can just isolate here and redirect the pipes under the floor for the new bathroom when it's required. Just draining down the hot water tank and the cold water tank upstairs so I can remove this. Shelf is out, doors are removed. PRV is going to go underneath the floor, run that straight through there. Probably outside the toilet to be fair because it might be in the way, but joist one in our favour. We have to get outside, drill a hole, find a pipe. Combination valve and everything's going to go in the back of the wall here. Might see if I can get it onto the left hand side, that all depends on the room. Right.
Midday update. Yes, we, and again we say we, have done as much as we can. I keep saying we, like I've done literally anything here apart from sit downstairs. But yeah, there's not a lot more that can be done without hoisting that fucker up the stairs. So we've got some piano straps and optimism for tomorrow then.
We're going to have our porridge in the morning, aren't we?
Yep, I'll get the steel toe boots out. But yeah, as now did I mention to me or on WhatsApp? Yes, like we got some temporary. I keep saying we.
Some temporary feeds there.
Temporary feeds to remove when that wall goes down. Yep. Yeah, I think that is everything but the actual SunAmp then, yeah.
Yeah, the SunAmp needs to go in, needs to wire it, we need to test it. So, but the wall there is just the temporaries because we know that's coming down, that's why it's not clipped to that. So they can be cut back and then re-diverted underneath the floor. And once that's done, it will be completed.
Marvellous. Right, where's the button?
Come on. Well, I don't know if we're going to do this, but we're going to have to try, aren't we?
Yeah, the front part done. Right, hang on. Okay.
One step at a time.
Yeah.
That's a free.
It's come on.
Ready?
Yeah, sorry, the cardboard's slipping into me and
Rest.
shit.
You right?
That's why it might be better for me to get from the bottom.
Ready?
Come on. Oh, you got it. Oh, yeah, infinitely better. You okay?
Yeah. Come on. Right. We have a breather after this one.
Yeah. Right. Okay, now. I mean, ground is still easier than I was expecting, but fuck me. In that case, we'll put you right in the way of the ladder. It's going to be fun with whoever edits that. It was literally standing through the ladder. Brilliant, right.
Just 2 more to do.
Right. Should be able to lift it from the top now.
Ready? And one more. That's it. Done. Done.
Yeah.
Well done, you. There you go. That's your weekly exercise done.
Okay.
Who needs a David Lloyd gym membership?
Considering going climbing this week, so.
So yesterday connected onto the existing balance cold, hot and feed up. This wall is actually coming down, so this is basically coming out at some point. Just cutting a descaler in now because that's a mandatory part. So obviously mandatory parts on these SunAmps are combination valve, thermal blending, expansion vessel, check valve. Going to be putting a flow restrictor here. You could use a stab valve, but I'm just going to lock off gate valve. Got to put an anti-siphon loops in for the hot and cold. And here's SunAmp, all 150 kilos of her. That was fun lifting her up the stairs. Couple of straps. Good workout for the morning. SunAmp's going to go into this corner here. Make sure I kept everything serviceable over that side. Yeah, there's really not much to see really. It's just basically cold and hot out.
Right, it's 11:33 and that's still not recovered from lugging this thing up the stairs, but oh, are we in then?
So just got to insulate the pipes. They say up to the first metre, but I'm just going to do all of it. We've got the anti-stratification loops down there. Obviously coming round into our blending valve, obviously, you know, got to mix the hot and cold. That's a flow regulator. So there, obviously ISO, descaler, check valve, combination valve onto the balanced water for the rest of the house, expansion vessel. And yeah, it's down to the electrician to, you know, do his job with the PV and battery on the roof, I guess.
Marvellous.
Well, there you go.
And now featuring installation. Get that going, right. It's the Yep.
Yeah.
Yep. Putting it down is going to be fun, but where's that? And there we go. Right, she's back. She gets to see.
I don't have any doors.
Yeah, well, I mean, they are. I was wondering myself until literally just now.
I mean, the question is, I guess there's clearance to.
Yeah, I did notice that myself. I mean, it's a chunky boy,
It is a chunky boy.
so we might have to just look at walls and doors in general, but.
Yeah. Interesting. Okay. Cool.
John will be ecstatic with that arousing and enthusiastic review of his work.
No, I'm very excited. I'm sorry, my head was already spinning ahead. Like, can I take this whole wall down? What would that look like?
Now, he did talk this to me, and of course it went whoop. And it might be on the video. I guess you'll see when I finish editing
Well,
it.
and again,
Look at these pipes.
I mean look at these.
But there is hot water.
That's good.
Now watch this, there's no hot water.
No, that's warmish.
Yeah, I think he turned it off at the... Oh, no, there we go.
That's warm.
Yes, he turned it on. It's still hooked up to the stupid dial under the stairs. Ah, there we go.
Yeah. Nice.
It's still hooked up to the stupid dial...
That's a floor,
down there.
honey.
Through the floor.
You're through the floor. Okay.
So, yes, as mentioned, we need to get another electrician in to finish off. Finish off?
Finish off. Yeah. No, electrician will come have a look.
Yes.
So, cool. Yes, I just need to get on to the website and register the warranty, apparently.
Yes.
So that's a lot of homework for me. You were meant to manage this.
I sat around and nearly fell down the stairs and got destroyed by 150 kilos of stuff. I'll be interested to see all the footage that looks myself.
Me too.